Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? I am back, of course, to teach you another line dance, and I want to give you a shout out and thank you for coming back each and every time you click on this video. The line dance I'm about to teach you is called Give Me Shivers. So as a friendly reminder, guys, I will be posting a lot of old dances. You're like, we know that one already, but we're getting ready for the NOLA Southern Experience. So the playlist is out. It's on our website at www.lmiunola.com. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see the partial playlist for beginners and intermediate. So I want to make sure most of those dances have the instructional, and if they don't, I'm going to do them. So that's what I'm doing here. So check that out. Also, speaking of the 4-day line dance weekend, so guys, I haven't looked back in my videos, but I don't know how long I've been saying this. I'm like, this event is going to sell out, and we're close to selling out. So with that being in mind, if you haven't registered, I'm telling you, go ahead and register, because when we're sold out, we're sold out. So I'm not going to feel bad when you come to me like, I didn't get registered. I'm like, I'm sorry, guys. So y'all need to do that ASAP. I'm talking about in a week, the wait list will be up, okay? Now, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Now, this is the instructional. So if you want to dance along with me, watch till the end and then click on that video and we can dance together and make sure you got the steps together. Okay, so the NOLA Southern Experience is almost sold out. We're right there. So if you haven't registered, please do so. Instructors, students, the playlist is up. The partial playlist is up. Go to our website, scroll to the bottom, and I'll be adding on. So go ahead and refer back probably in 2 months. I think I'm going to update it in March because it was up in November, okay? So let's go. This dance, everybody's been doing it. It's so cute. It's really a country line dance. It's called Give Me Shivers, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. Let's go. So it is a 4-wall dance that moves clockwise. So this is our wall that we're going to go to. 4-wall dance clockwise. So you jump. It's 1, hold 2, 3, 4. Got a little hips in it. Got a little hip movement. So you jump forward. 1, 2. Jump on 1, hold on 2, hip 3, 4. And that's on the left. And then you got 4 more beats. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the right, you go 5, 6, 7, 8. And then your weight is going to be over here on your right. Okay, so let's put that together. Jump forward is 1, hold 2, 3, 4. So we sped it up. 3, 4, then we roll. Forward, go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to add on. We're going to go cross, rock, recover, triple step, cross, rock, recover, triple step. Okay, so what we did on the right, we did on the left. Cross, rock, recover, triple step, cross, rock, recover, triple step. Now, we're going to do our first turn to our left. And we're going to do a cross, step on the right, point on the left, step on the left, point on the right, a cross point. Okay, so when you did your cross, rock, recover, triple step, just go right into this wall right here. A quarter turn to your left. Cross, point, step, cross, point. All right, let's add that. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, jump, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. I'm sorry, 5, 6, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that you did get it? So we jump forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, rock, recover, triple step. Cross, rock, recover, triple step. So I crossed on my right, right over left. Right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. I cross okay? From here, my right heel is up, and I'm gonna go into a jazz square right here. Right, left, right, left. I did another turn. So I'm actually going back to the wall where I came from. So I just did one turn and two turns. My first turn was to my left. When I did my cross point, I'm here at this wall. Then I do a jazz square, right over left, right, left, and I'm back to my right. I do a quarter turn to my right, okay? So jazz square, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is right, left, turn, right, cross, left, okay? So let's take it from there. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, cross, rock, recover, quarter turn to your left, cross point, jazz square, quarter turn to our right, okay? From here, my right heel is up. I'm going to do a step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Step on my right, touch on my left, step on my left, touch on my right. And I'm really just staying right here. It's almost like a little reset before I start moving again. Let's do it again. I'm going to slow it down from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross, 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my weight is on my left. I'm getting ready to make my turn. So what I'm going to do is do a grapevine. Now they do different versions of this. You can just do a regular grapevine, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. So you do your grapevine, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. Right, left, and jump. That's how you get to your next wall. Right, left, jump, hold, and you start the dance over. Now, there's different versions of this. So you do a regular grapevine, you're doing a quarter turn to your right. That's how you get to your wall with the grapevine. Right, left, and you make that turn to your right. And you start over, jump. Okay? Now you can roll out, just do a grapevine. They do different versions. You can roll it out, you can turn, or you can hop on one foot, okay? I'm gonna do the regular grapevine. This is too much weight to be jumping on one foot, okay? All right, that's basically the dance. Give me shivers. If you want to know the different versions of the turn or whatever into the grapevine, just put give me shivers and you see them doing different versions of it, okay? But I'm just going to grapevine and go to my right to start the dance over. So let's put it all together. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you see that? Let's start at this wall here. And you'll be able to see me without you turning back, okay? Let's do it at this wall. I'll turn for a short period of time, but at this point, you should know the step. So I'm going to slow it down. 5, 6, 7, jump, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, right foot cross, rock, recover, left, cross, turn, cross point, jazz square, turn back to your right, step touch, into your grapevine, right, left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, cross, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right, 5, 6, 7, step touch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay, 8 is going to be on your left. That's called Give Me Shivers. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Again, I'm going to be teaching a lot of the live dances that's going to be played at NOLA Southern Experience. You can go to our website and scroll to the bottom. You'll see the partial playlist for beginners and intermediate. We will be adding on to the list. And I haven't done so, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where I'm going to make a list on YouTube, a playlist on YouTube. I'll show you that when I get that together, okay? And that way you can just go on YouTube, you can click on the NOLA Southern Experience Beginners Playlist, and you'll see all the line dances, okay? And if you're intermediate, you can click on NOLA Southern Experience Intermediate, and you'll see all the line dances right there on YouTube. I've created a playlist right there on my channel, so I'll let you know about that. Make sure if you haven't registered, please do so. That's pretty much it. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.